Alright, what's up, y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and I got a little mail call. Yeah, check this out. So I was on the podcast with @Drunken Chef Barbecue. Check that guy out. Real cool cat. Real cool brother, man. I really appreciate all the interaction from him. You know what I mean? I've been in for a minute, but I'm new to the joining the lives and all that. And my man John is Salt Pepper Fire and Grill, George over at 805 Barbecue Junkie, and Lance, my man the Sleeper Barbecue. What's up, fellas? And to my Black Smoke crew, you know what's up. But he was doing a little giveaway, and guess who won? Your boy. All right, and my man got his own little seasonings, some SPGs. And I'm gonna bring you in closer so you can see what I got. But I was fortunate enough to win all three of these bad boys. As you can see, you know what? Let me bring you in close. And I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be testing it out on. Yeah, check this out. So yeah, as you can see there, I got some of these pork steaks right there. Cut off the, like they say, they got the bone in. Pork shoulder steak, that is a thing. Pork steaks are amazing. And of course, I got my blank canvas here that I like to test stuff out on. Some good old chicken thighs. But check this out. My man @Drunken Chef Barbecue. This is his SPG. And as you can see, that is legit. I mean, look at that. Look at the color. The distribution. Man, look at that. And then I got the SPG Jalapeno. Yeah, good old Jallies. And you can see that jalapeno powder in there because you can see the green color. I mean, hey, I already use this. I'm gonna have a little short video coming up. I use this making me a ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. So, yeah. And then this dude straight got SPG Habanero. No, he didn't. Yes, he did. And you can see that habanero up in there. You see that little orange hue in there? So all of these taste amazing. I taste them all. And I'm very honored to use these right now. So alright, so I got the old Char Grilled Legacy fired up. We sitting at like 250 right now. My chicken's over here, the pork steaks, and on the Kingsford, I went ahead and threw in some of this Kingsford flavor booster, cumin and chili. I got all three of them, and I like all three of them. So let's get this loaded up. I'm gonna start with this chicken. So this is with the Drunken Chef. These are the habaneros. The ones that are seasoned with the Habanero SPG. This is the Jalapeno SPG. And then this is the regular SPG. I just went on ahead and just used the last four in case the other ones are a little too spicy for the kids or for my daughter. So as you can hear that sizzle, we doing something right. A little space in between these. We're gonna put that right there. Now on to them pork steaks. I'm gonna load these bad boys up over here. And this is the salt, pepper, and garlic. The regular SPG. right there. This is the one with the habanero right there. And this is the one with the jalapeno, and I'm gonna throw that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and move these charcoals. I'm gonna make sure that that flavor booster is in the heat, and man, I'll be back in an hour. Man, before I do that, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and shut that down. We're gonna let that Char Griller Legacy do its thing. We're gonna be sitting up right up in there, and we're gonna be back in a minute. So I said I'd be out here in an hour, but my bad boy's sitting between 250 and 275, and something's telling me to come out here and check my chick on. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over. I got the coals kind of low, so I'm not getting a direct heat, but the heat is right up underneath it. But I'm not like, I don't have it directly up underneath it. I mean, close, I should say. So these are the jalapeno, the habanero, and then those are the regular SPG right there. So these pork steaks, you see they bleeding. We're gonna go ahead and flip those over. Those is looking good. Getting some good color. They're rubbed and set. So I know that's the habanero, the salt, pepper, and then that's the jalapeno. So I mean, man, these bad boys is rolling. I'm gonna drop these coals down a little bit more, and I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna be keeping an eye on them because I do got it skin side down, and we know all the fat gonna drip down, and we're gonna have some flare-ups and all that good stuff that you know that's gonna happen to make sure your food is good. All right, back in a minute. Alright, so we done. Nice quick little cook. You know, cooking with chicken, that bad boy flared up a little bit. So I started moving stuff around and I forgot what was what. I know these back here, and this one, that's the regular SPG. And this one got that kind of little orange tint to it. So I'm assuming these are the habanero and then these two are the jalapeno. I know this is the jalapeno, that is the habanero, and then the one right there on the end, that's the regular SPG. So we ran these on the Char Griller Legacy with some Kingsford charcoal, and then I put 2 of the Kingsford flavor boosters, the cumin and chili and cumin one, and this is what we use. Drunken Chef's SPG jalapeno. Drunken Chef SPG. And then the Drunken Chef SPG habanero. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a sample. I'm gonna cut off a piece of each one. I'm not just gonna bite on all the chicken because everybody else gonna want some. And I'm gonna cut a piece of each of the pork steak, and then we're gonna be back with a sample. I don't know why that's not focusing. There it is. Okay, so we all done here, and I figured out what was what. That'll let you know how good the rubs are. They don't just all taste the same. They got a very distinct taste. You get that jalapeno, you get that habanero, and you get that, the regular SPG. And it is amazing. So, Drunken Chef, yo, man, I really appreciate that. So this is the chicken with the jalapeno. Okay. So now we're gonna try the pork steak with the jalapeno. Sometimes when you eat something, you just gotta look off in the distance and wonder why there's so much damn background noise all of a sudden. This is the Habanero. Yeah. No, this is the regular SPG. Put the Habanero on the end. I love chicken thighs. So, I actually grabbed the habanero on the pork. Boy, there was some more sirens. That's good on the pork. Now, I'm gonna try the SPG. That's hot. So if you can't handle your heat, start to. That's that regular SPG right there. Man, that's good. I'm really taking my time on savoring these. All right, I don't know if y'all seen that, but I dropped that piece of chicken and I went and got another piece. I wasn't nasty and just picked it up. Sometimes the 5-second rule does not apply. Salt, pepper, and garlic on the chicken. Crows and hawks is fighting. You know what? These would definitely stay in rotation. And when I run out, I'll definitely order some more. I can see these being a wonderful base coat for something. At Drunken Chef Barbecue on YouTube. I don't know if, I think he's on Instagram and Facebook. Habanero. Regular SPG. Jalapeno. All right, Chef, I appreciate that. Your boy is definitely going to be using it, and it's going to be put to use. Hope this video did some justice on letting people know the skills that you got. And, appreciate all the interaction on the podcast. Definitely will be chiming in, and hopefully I get enough courage to start my own. I plan. But, hey, y'all appreciate it. Checking me out. Don't forget that notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on this video, hit the thumbs up. All that helps us all out. Those of us who was out here in this YouTube community and the YouTube universe. So, interact with each other's videos, interact with mine, because I definitely interact with yours. And y'all be cool out there. Be safe, be smart. You know what time it is. In the smoke with Keenan. One.